In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change IP in Windows 11. This process is essential for many users who need to manage their network settings effectively. With just a few steps, you can customize your IP address according to your requirements. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This will open the settings menu on your screen. You will see a clean interface with various options available. The Settings app allows you to control many aspects of your computer, including network settings. This is the starting point for changing your IP address. Next, click on the option labeled Network and Internet in the left sidebar. This section is where you will find all the relevant settings related to your network connections. By selecting this option, you gain access to the various types of connections, such as Wi-Fi and Ethernet. It is crucial to navigate here to make the necessary changes for your IP settings. From there, you will need to click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Your choice will depend on how you connect to the internet. If you are using a wireless connection, select Wi-Fi. If you are connected via cable, choose Ethernet. This selection allows you to focus on the specific network you wish to configure, ensuring that you're making changes to the right connection. Now click on your Connected Networks Properties block at the top. This block provides detailed information about your current network connection. It is important to access this section because it contains all the configuration settings relevant to your network. By doing so, you can fine-tune your IP settings effectively. After that, scroll down to the IP assignment section. Here you will see an Edit button next to it. Click this button to proceed. This step is essential as it opens up the options for setting your IP address manually. It ensures that you have the ability to override the automatic settings that might not fit your needs. Next, change the drop-down menu from Automatic, which is typically DHCP, to Manual. This choice allows you to take control of your IP settings. Switching to manual is crucial because it enables you to specify the exact IP address you want to use. This is particularly useful for tasks requiring a static IP address, such as hosting a server or enhancing network stability. At this point, toggle the EMO4 switch to on. This step activates EMO4 settings, which are necessary for most networks. Enabling IP EMO4 is important because it is the most commonly used Internet Protocol version. Once enabled, you can proceed to customize your IP settings further. Now fill in your network configuration values. You will need to enter the IP address, subnet prefix length, gateway, and preferred DNS. Each of these values plays a critical role in ensuring your network connection works smoothly. Inputting these correctly is vital as it defines how your device communicates on the network. Make sure to double-check these entries for accuracy. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. This action finalizes your new settings and ensures they take effect immediately. Saving your changes is crucial because it guarantees that your new IP configuration is active and ready to use. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed your IP address in Windows 11. Congratulations! You can now enjoy a more tailored network experience.